This new meme coin platform could completely change the way that you trade meme coins. Today's video is a full tutorial on Rhythm.trade, a new platform that's just come out that is completely revamped the way that you look to trade some of those low cap meme coins. And you can sign up down below if you're keen to get started straight away. Let's dive in. As you can see here, this is the first time I'm on it, so I'm going to give you a full breakdown of what this tutorial looks like on this new platform, and it's completely changed the game. It allows you to track so many interesting on-chain statistics like the fear and greed index, like some strong meme coins that have a lot of volume, and all these sorts of things that we haven't previously seen on a new meme coin platform before. So this one looks really interesting. So Discover, your command center for exploring the market. Discover means you find real-time insights into trending tokens, market movements, and emerging opportunities, so you never miss a moment of momentum. This is up the top, market overview. So here you go. So start here to sync with the market's rhythm. Follow live metrics, capital trends, token performance, all surface to guide your next move. If we have a look here, this is Token Explorer. Looking for the next breakout, use the Token Explorer to sort by price action, volume, market cap, and more. Designed to curate and help you surface opportunities before the crowd catches on. And then up the top, you have your management of your account. Okay, so all your wallets, all those sorts of things, view your balance and withdraw your funds. So as you can see here, this is what it looks like. I'll share this link with you guys down below. If you're keen to get started, it's down there. All right, so as you can see, make sure you share this around and get it out there, guys, because this is one that I do think will catch on very shortly. So let's have a quick look. We have a total DeFi market cap. So as you can see, it's been trending pretty much sideways. It's very much chop city at the moment. We have dominance, okay? So as you can see here, BTC dominance, ETH dominance, Solana dominance. Now, the fact that Solana dominance is going up means that there's better opportunities in the Solana trenches yet again. As you can see, we can click across a range of different aspects. So if I zoom in a little bit up to the top, you have holding strong, survivors. Okay, so Mitch obviously launched a token yesterday, so that's still doing fairly well at 17 million. You have legacies. Okay, so Troll, Mini, Trump, or Dog with Fwog, Goat. Okay, all these tokens that have been out for a long time that have still seen a bit of love, even Farcoin more recently, obviously. Then you have your own watch list, which you can add here by clicking this little star icon, and that'll add it to your watch list. So for example, if I wanted to buy 0.5 Sol straight away, I would click it over here and it would do that for me up the top, which makes it super, super easy. Now, obviously, I would have to deposit some money first. So I'll show you how to do that in a minute's time. You have the fear and greed index. Now, this is pretty epic, right? Because right now we are on the border of fear and neutral. Honestly, usually buy fear and sell greed. So that's some alpha right there, in my opinion. Active trading wallets, as you can see, the Solana wallets over the past couple of days has increased. And again, this shows you when peak times to trade and when maybe there's less sort of opportunities in the market to trade because there's less traders on chain. Solana price, coins launch per day, as you can see, launch and graduated. Graduated tokens are so down the radar right now. As you can see, only literally about 10 to 15 to maybe 20 there, down to single figures in the last couple of hours, guys. So this just shows you, okay, that predominantly you want to be looking for swing trades on higher cap tokens. And if they do graduate, maybe double check what's happening over there. Now, as you can see over on the side, price signal search. So this one is where we really separate the market on this exchange or this platform compared to other meme coin platforms out there. It shows you, okay, well, who's buying some of these tokens? Okay, so 1.4K into this one. Brewski just saw 0.4, so $400 into that one. And as you can see, you can scroll through this, and this shows you some of the larger cap sort of trades that are happening. Oops, I zoomed in too far. At this current point in time. So if we click on this, okay, it's going to take us straight to this token right now, which is one of the ones that has graduated only very recently. Again, if we have a look at the price, okay, the dev did buy, the dev has just sold as of this moments of time. Maybe that's bullish, maybe it's not, maybe it dumps here. These are usually the signs that we look for when you're swing trading this meme coin. But as you can see, very easy to use platform, very similar to most things. Okay, you can click on the 5-minute, the 1 hour, the 6 hour, and the 24 hours to see the volume, to see all of the different things that you need to, sell volume, buy volume, amount of transactions, and total volume for that period of time. Okay, and in the last 5 minutes, this has had 6.5K of volume. Now, you can obviously have your quick buy settings. Again, you can change all of this in your settings as well. And yeah, basically it gives you all the safety checks as well. So how much percentage snipers are in this, top 10% ownership, how much does the dev hold? Well, the dev just literally dumped this, as you can see up above. LP burn, insiders, bundles, and it gives you that indication. So green obviously means that it's on the safer side. Yellow is a little bit more risky, and red means it's probably more likely a rug. Same again, contract address, creator address, freeze authority, mint authority, and all the things that you would usually like to see. And as you can see, ongoing transactions, you can see the holder distribution as well. Okay, how much supply do they own? Okay, the LP, someone owns 1.7% of supply, so that's a little bit risky there compared to some of the others. We have a lot of equal distribution here, so maybe that was bundled. Okay, you can click on the bubble maps here. It's going to show us, okay, do we have any bundled, sorry, maps? Let's have a look. Here we go. It's loading in. Come on. Here we go. Okay, so this one's showing us that we don't actually have any. So you add 81 magic nodes. I don't know what that feature is, but this is pretty epic. So access map customization options directly on the Bubble Maps app. Unlock its full power. Yeah, so obviously they have a partnership with Bubble Maps. That is a paid feature, I would assume. Now, as you can see here, you can literally go over and check the supply again, just in a more advanced way over on the side. So that's pretty cool. But that's the Bubble Maps over on the side. Again, you can filter it in whichever way you want. The buys, the sells, the liquidity, creator, token amount, SOL amount, USD amount, etc. as well. Let's go have a look. If I had an open position, it would be here. Any orders, so live buys or live sells, take profit levels that I'd have would be here. Strategies. Now, this is the epic part, and we'll talk about that later in the video, but this is a really cool point that you can do. So you can set up a really degen strategy. You can set up a really safe strategy to help you trade throughout all of these different types of tokens, and you just have to nominate which strategy it is. You can click the instant trade over here as well. Now, this pops up like this, and it allows you to literally click whatever percentage on the sell side and whatever percentage on the buy side. So again, really cool interactive platform that I'm starting to really vibe with at the moment. Again, if you click up the top, you have the sell orders as well. If we move this over to the side, let's get rid of it. Okay, you have the normal sell dashboard as well. Up the top, you can click the amount that you're looking to sell. Now, you can set some TPs, you can set some stop losses as well on the sell side. And on the buy side, you can set a stop limit and you can set a limit buy order. Very nice, very friendly for us traders who are looking to maybe step away and not be as necessarily plugged into the platform. Click the homepage and it'll take you all the way back to the start, guys, where we were before. All right, as you can see, let's have a look. So we have first wave. These are obviously the tokens that are on the lower cap side. Again, you can filter this by a range of different indicators over on the side. Okay, minimum market cap. Okay, columns. You can change all the columns that you want. You can remove some, add some. This is pretty epic. Okay, you have no strategies. If I want to create a strategy, we'll talk about that in a moment's time. Now let's go have a look at the top. We have tempo. So tempo is very similar to what you would have seen on Bull X, what you see on Photon, what you see on Axiom. Okay, this is a very traditional sort of way to go about it. Again, you can implement your create new strategy over on the side, which makes it super epic. Portfolio up the top, okay, it's going to tell you your lifetime realized P&L up or down, okay, depending on how you go as a trader. All your positions, all your previous trades are over the 30 days, 7 day, 24 hours, and all time. That's pretty epic. And they do have rewards, okay? So let's have a look at this. So as you can see, Rhythm revenue share. So bring others onto the platform. That's why I said sign up down below, guys, and get other people out there. Share it along. So tier one, so anyone that signs up under your link, you get 30%. Indirectly, you get 5% from them. And extended, you still get 3%. So that's pretty epic, guys. No caps, no limits. That's pretty epic, as you can see. So the Badogos have partnered with these guys, so it's pretty cool that we get early access to this platform as well. So got it. And as you can see, it's kind of similar to Axiom with a few extra little bonuses that you can get over time, and it will give you rewards over time. If you click that little button again, you can click that at any time and read through. But again, you can share this on X, okay? As you can see, get 5 referrals this week, Soul Mover, okay? Trade Master, Volume, etc., etc. You can track all your referrals down the bottom as well, so that's pretty epic. All right, so if you come over to the side, just go to Account Settings, and again, it has all your email and everything here as well. When you join, you can change your password, which makes it super easy. Change your referral link here if you want as well, but it is based on your name. But yeah, that's how you manage your profile. If we have a look at your wallets, you also have your wallets over here. So I can create a wallet. I can import a wallet if I have a Solana wallet on Photon or on another exchange, okay, or another platform. Or if I have it in my Phantom wallet, I can import it here straight away. And that way my Solana can just be transferred within these wallets as well. Now let's go back to the tempo and let's go create a strategy. So if we come on over and let's have a look at this. So I can drag this wherever I want on the screen. Again, super interactive, and I love that. And it's going to give you a little bit of a walkthrough about some of the ideas of what strategy actually means. So trading strategies help you automate your trades based on market conditions, set up triggers like stop losses, take profits, and more to trade without watching the charts 24/7. And that's literally what I want to be doing. Start with a template below or create your own custom strategy. So in time, obviously, I'll be creating my own strategies, but let's take a look at some of the templates that they have straight away. So these are pre-built strategies created by the Rhythm team. Click to customize it and make it your own. And again, you can adapt these in any way you want. So degen, high risk, high reward strategy, stop loss at 80%, take profit at a 10x, DCA out, dollar cost average out, 20% take profit, 40% take profit, etc. Amazing that you can set multiple take profits or multiple buy orders. That is a game changer, literally, trust me. 2 times XL, balance strategy with 2x profit targets. So 100% take profit at a 2x, or obviously stop loss set at 50%. Let's go to the DJ round. We're going to click the tempo. As you can see here, this is what it looks like. You can allocate an emoji. You can allocate a name to this, and optional, you can, again, give it a little bit more information if you are tweaking it in a specific way that you want to be turning on this strategy when you're looking to trade. So click next. Again, you can moderate this. You can customize it to whatever you want, okay? Say your price change. Maybe you're a little bit less risky. You want to add this at 60. You can type in 60 here instead, okay? Take profit, same again, okay? Maybe we want to target only a 500% move, right? So that's a 5x. Save this, and bang, that'll be a strategy that we can implement now whenever we are trading, guys. As you can see here, bang, you can click on that and it's there ready to go as well. So that's awesome. Again, you can go and change this at any time. You can add another trigger as well. So if we click that, you can add another thing. So stop loss, trailing stop loss, take profit, BTC price trigger. Again, these are really interesting points. So for example, if BTC gets to a really low point and maybe you want to buy some of these tokens, okay, you can literally trigger that in. That's pretty epic, guys. So again, this is really cool. Exit out of that, and then that way it looks nice and good. So if we come over to a token that has graduated, we come over on the side, okay, our create strategy should be over here as well. So if we have a look, it has our normal dashboard over on the side. The strategy will be implemented as long as you click the strategy here. If it is, or if you are in a trade, it will execute as per this strategy, okay? So that's all you have to do there. Again, you can select no strategy if you want to manually trade and just allocate your take profits and your stop losses straight away. But if you want that strategy to do it when you step away from every trade that you take, that is how you know it is selected there, and it will do it automatically for you. A couple other points I just want to show you is down the bottom, okay? As you can see, you've got Solana, ETH, BTC price, you've got connected, you've got your strategies again here. At any time, you can click down the bottom on any page that you're at. Your settings option down the bottom as well. So your slippage, okay, your priority fee, your bribery fee. Again, keep it periodically about the same. If you want MEVBot on, okay, this is probably for larger wallets. Turn it on if you want it on there, if you want it really secure, and allocate your different slippages and priority. Right now, meme coins aren't popping off too much, so these default settings should be pretty fine on the buy side and the sell side as well. Again, if there's a lot of volume, if there's a lot of traders, you might want to play with these and increase it a little bit so that your trade goes through. Again, you can have 3 different presets with 3 different settings. That's pretty dope. Over on the bottom right hand side. That's the settings. Again, if you want to have any support, that's amazing. You can click on the support. It'll open you up and take you to the Discord where you can literally go and talk to the team. That's pretty epic. They have all the documents over on the right hand side, and they have 3 other features down here. So the Discover page, if you click this, it's going to take you straight to the Discover page. And now this is pretty epic. Again, you can literally share this as big as you want it to be. Okay, but this allows you to have the Discover page while you go to Tempo, for example, okay? So I can literally play around with this. I can move it wherever I want. It's going to show me signal serves while I'm also surveying other charts. So say I go and click on this one that we were looking at before. I can literally keep this over on the side at any point of time. I can even drag it over to the side, guys, and allow this to be over here. This way I can trade one token at a time here, but then I'm also tracking signal surges, which tokens are holding strong, which ones are surviving overnight. Okay, all these sorts of things over on the side allows you to be a super savvy trader. Your current positions, again, you can also add this over on the side as well. Again, I probably wouldn't have my active positions up unless I'm looking to buy and sell them pretty aggressively. And then lastly, you have the wallet tracker as well, guys. So you can add any wallets in here. Lastly, guys, the deposit and withdrawal, you go up the top. Here's your wallet balance, okay? Not your wallet balance, sorry, your wallet address. Copy that, paste any amount. So obviously, if I go to Photon and I log into that one, not Photon, sorry, Phantom. And if I send myself some SOL, I'm just going to send myself, I don't have much SOL in this wallet, so I'll just send myself 0.5 SOL at this point in time. Okay, next. Okay, send. And it's coming across from Phantom right now. Okay, close. And as you can see, bang, 0.5 SOL, $103 is in my deposit funds as well. And as you can see, pay with card as well. MoonPay, that is huge. Okay, MoonPay, a literally fantastic platform to partner with as well. So that's massive. Get out of that now. And again, if you want to withdraw, you can come up to account settings, up to you with withdrawals here up the top. And you can click withdrawal over on the side here. And again, it gives you a menu, view key, deactivate account, all that sort of stuff. Withdraw here. Bang, if I wanted to withdraw it, okay, 100%, you paste the wallet address wherever you want it to go, and bang, you can get your money off the platform. And as I said before, okay, come over to the site. You can click at any time, and you can buy any of these. You can go to Tempo page. If that's the way you like to do it, you can change your filters here again, whichever platform you like. Pump Fun, okay, Boop, Orca, Radium. No one's really trading Orca tokens, but Bonk's on here. Bags is on here as well. Keywords, again, that you can look for. So maybe you want to trade Elon tokens, Trump tokens, whatever it is. Okay, bonding curve. Again, this is fantastic, guys. You can literally do an audit. You can do socials. Okay, do they have a Twitter? Do they have a Telegram? Do they have a website? Do they have at least one social? Do they have an audit? So how much is the dev holding? How much is bundled supply percentages? You can get started right now, nice and early before other people out there. And I do think this is going to be an absolute game changer with all these different metrics at the moment. And again, I'll be bringing out some more videos soon. We'll be talking about this on live streams and all these sorts of things moving forward. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. But I think this is definitely a good platform to be a part of. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you obviously in the next one.